Stop asking people to subscribe to your channel. I know that may sound crazy, but I'm going to say it again. Stop asking people to subscribe to your channel. You want to know why I said that? Because I think you should just let people subscribe on their own. Let it be organic, okay? I learned that lesson a long time ago, okay? Because for so long, people have always made it seem like more subscribers mean more money. And I would have to disagree with that. You know what I'm saying? Just because you have 100,000 subscribers, that don't necessarily mean you're going to get 100,000 views. That don't mean you're just going to have, 100,000 views per video. Now, granted, yes, you have a lot of subscribers. That does make your chances better for getting more views. But it's all about those views on YouTube. You can have 1,000 subscribers, right? That's enough, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can get into the monetization program, right? You can get in with your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours, right? Let's say you have that, okay? You got it 1,001. But your videos getting 10,000 views per video. Like, so does that mean your subscribers matter right there? Because you can have a small channel and get more views than a bigger channel. It's possible. You know what I'm saying? And I made that mistake when I first started this channel right here. That's probably why I'm not monetized yet. I was asking everybody on Facebook to subscribe to my channel. I was sending everybody the link. Everybody. But it didn't translate to views. I wasn't getting no views on my videos. But I had a lot of subscribers. And when I first got on YouTube, I thought that's what it was all about. Yeah, they're going to give you this fancy plaque when you get a certain amount of subscribers, but it's all about those views and that watch time. That's what it's all about. Yes, you want to get your 1,000, okay? But don't get it like I got it, okay? I was asking everybody to subscribe to my channel. Excuse me. I was asking everybody to subscribe to my channel and they weren't watching my videos. All they did was went on there and hit the subscribe button and never, ever watched the video on my channel. Okay? So when I say don't ask people, I mean that. And we just do it prematurely. Like, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We just do that anyway. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just second nature to us to say that in a video. But I'm here to tell you, let people subscribe on their own. If they see one video from you, hey, they may not like that one so much. Bam, you pop up again. I'm kind of warming up to you, okay? Then they see the third video, I'm like, man, I think I will subscribe to this person's channel. Let it be like that. Let it be organic, okay? But like I said, we just do it like, hey, subscribe to my channel. We just do that. But I stopped doing that because I learned my lesson when I was just asking people to subscribe to my channel, man. I want people to subscribe on their own. Let it be organic. Let my views be organic. Let my subscribers be organic. Let the audience be organic, okay? And that's just what I wanted to say to you guys today. Now, I know some people will disagree with that and say, oh, subscriber, yeah, that may be how you feel about it. But I don't feel that way. You know, I want everything to be organic. Yes, I do want people to subscribe to my channel. And everybody's going to do that, especially when they're trying to get their first 1K. Okay? They're just going to ask everybody to subscribe to get to 1K. And then, once you do that, you're going to get to that 1K. And guess what? You still don't have the watch hours because those people you were asking to subscribe, they probably wasn't going to subscribe. They just did it because you asked them. Now, they don't even watch the video. So that's how I feel about that, man. You know, you can sit there and ask people all you want to, but go ahead and do it. And watch how you don't get no watch time or watch hours or whatever. Like, it's not going to translate, I'm telling you. At least I'm speaking from my experience. It may be different for you. I don't know. But if you don't remember nothing I said on this channel, stop asking people to subscribe to your channel, man. Just let it flow. Let it be organic. If they subscribe, they subscribe. If not, guess what? I'm going to make another video to try to win you over. If that don't work, I'm going to make another video. I'm just going to keep on popping up and you're going to keep on seeing me and you're going to warm up and like, man, I like that guy. He got a sense of humor. You know, he's funny. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what you want, okay? Or a female, whoever you are. You know what I'm saying? And I adjust my glasses a lot. People may think that's funny, you know what I'm saying? But you never know, okay? But stop asking people to subscribe to your channel. Just let it flow, okay?